Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very quick haul that I just wanted to film because I had a very exciting package come to my door. I did a Nasty Gal haul because it is my birthday coming up and I'm having a party over the weekend. So I wanted to pick out a dress, and Nasty Gal had like an amazing sale on. Everything was half price and I thought I'm just gonna order a bunch and see what works, what doesn't work, and maybe I'll keep a couple, maybe I will return them all. I'm really hoping that I find something amazing in this package. Please excuse my hair, I just washed it and it has been left to dry and now it just looks like a fluffy mess. So anyway, and also FYI, as I'm filming this so quickly, I didn't set up lights, so I'm just using natural light. So let me know what you guys think of the light situation. And also, I also just got this tea. It's from Miss Selfridge. They sent it to me. I'm obsessed. It says love on it. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's jump into this haul. So first up, I pulled out. It is the giant Nasty Gal bag. I got quite a few bits, and everything I got is kind of quite thin, flimsy fabric because it is still very warm here in LA. And oh my gosh, sorry, I'm just looking at the monitor and my hair looks insane. Like, what is going on? Okay, so anyway, first thing I have pulled out of the box, because I opened it just to make sure everything was there, is this box here. It says Koi Couture, but I think this is like Nasty Gal own brand. I picked up some boots. Oh, these are so cute. So we're having a bit of a kind of like boho garden party, as I mentioned in a previous haul where I showed you some of my home goods items for the party decor. I'll be sure to link that somewhere on the screen if you haven't seen that one. But these are so freaking cute. They're a faux suede and they've got this kind of like sock detail. They're kind of that sock shape of a boot. And I just thought these would be really good for in my garden because obviously it's outside, so I didn't want to be in a stiletto. And yeah, I'm really hoping these work out. I will obviously try everything on as always in this haul. I'll probably just keep these boots if they look nice on with everything I try on. And then I ordered so many dresses. So what is this one? Ooh, this is cute. So I ordered some like small dresses, like short dresses, and some like longer flowy ones. This is adorable. This is red printed, floral, very simple and pretty. It has like a ruffle hem. We'll see what this is like on. And I got this in a size UK for US 0. So we'll see what this fits like on. I know from previously ordering from Nasty Gal that sizes come up a little big. On me, I've realised that anyway, so I've ordered whatever they had as just the smallest size always. So let's see that one on. Okay, so this is the first little dress. I really like this one. Fits quite nice. It's a little roomy in the waist, but I am not mad about it. I think it's quite pretty and I feel like I would wear this a lot actually. I am tempted to potentially say that I would want it a tiny bit shorter. What do you guys think? Maybe I'm being silly. Maybe if I put a belt around it, it would just break it up. And then the other thing that I'm noticing is the hips. So my hips are actually there, and it kind of gives me this weird hip situation. So I'm not 100% sure about that, but overall the fit is quite nice. It's pretty, it's like feminine, and the boots are kind of cool. They're a bit chunky with this, I think, for my liking. I would probably go for something a tiny bit more delicate. With the round club toe, I don't think is the most flattering, so maybe that's kind of throwing me off. But yeah, sorry, I'm just standing a bit further back. Please excuse my suitcase in the background. We just got back from a trip and yet to deal with that. So yeah, what do you guys think? I'm kind of on the fence with this one. It's pretty and it's nice. I feel like it was only $15, in which case I feel like it's a bargain and I should probably keep it. But yeah, I do like all the details on it, like these frills and stuff. I think that's really fun and probably get quite a bit of wear out of this. So yeah, I think this is a winner. And then another kind of red dress. Oh, I loved this. I saw this, had my eye on this for a while, and it's again like this kind of ruffle shoulder detail, I guess, and then it has this big cutout, which you'll be able to see when it's on, and then this ruched bit in the middle, so kind of like pushes it up here, so you can have, if you've got bigger boobs, you can have it looser, and if you've got smaller boobs, you can kind of ruche it and make it look more flattering. And then it has this kind of double ruffle hem. It's coming out a lot redder on camera. In real life, it's kind of more of a burgundy shade, so let's see what that one is like. Oh, and I got this in a size 2 US 6. Although now seeing this one on, oh, I actually prefer this to the last one. What do you guys think of this dress? I think this is really, really sweet. I have tied this center section quite like aggressively because, let me show you when it's untied. It doesn't really look like anything on me, but, oh, there we go. I'll tie that in a minute, but that is such a nice shape. That's so sweet. And typically I would want something a little bit shorter. I'd probably go to where that ruffle is on me, but I actually kind of like this longer style. Ooh, I think I would get a ton of wear out of this one. It's really flattering. Again, maybe the boots are just not the right vibe because I'm not loving them with everything. What do you guys think of these? Are they just too chunky for me? I am a little person, so sometimes things can be just a little bit too chunky, but oh my gosh, I love this dress. I did it up for my birthday. I kind of want something a little bit more special, I guess, and fancy, but I might just keep this anyway because it is adorable. Okay, what else? Oh, this dress, I remember reading this. So this was kind of like a last minute something. I basically was like, do I want something a bit more glam, basically, than the kind of like day boho dresses that I ordered, so I thought I'll just throw this in there. Now feeling this, I'm not a fan of this fabric at all. It will hang really well. This is like a lighter version of color of this. Actually, the color that this t-shirt showing up on camera is what this dress is in real life. I'm looking at it right now. This is more of a peachy and this is more of a like kind of pinky nudie color. This I got in a size 0 as well, and it's going to be really hard to show, but it's one shoulder, and let's see what this like is on. I really don't like the fabric, so that's probably going to be a no, but you never know. Okay, although I love the general like idea of this and being in something like this floaty and like flouncy for my birthday, this is not me at all. It's kind of like really cheap feeling going out kind of dress. The idea of it would be really cool, and I actually think for like a photo, I even like it with like the boots to kind of like edge it up and like some sort of cool belt. I feel like I could get a really good pick in this dress. I feel like I could get a really good pick in this dress, but honestly, nope, not the one. Then next up, I love this dress actually. This was so pretty. I really like kind of like that cowl style with a wrap at the bottom. They're everywhere right now. Really 90s style dress, and I find them really flattering on me. I really liked this one, so I'll be interested to see. So this is kind of that, it's velvet. What do they call this? Brocade, I think they might call it. But basically it's velvet, and it has that like cowl neck, I'm showing this terribly, cowl neck and then a wrap style at the bottom, and it's kind of like short but long. And then I got this in a size US 2, UK size 6. So it looks kind of big for a 6 actually, holding it up. But we shall see what that's like on it. And I really like that mustard colour. I felt like this was really vintage and worked with my theme. Okay, I'm super on the fence with this dress. I feel like the cowl is a bit of a strange cowl. It's super wide, so it's kind of hanging weird. But I love the whole like vibe of it. I love the colours, and I kind of like, I think I like the shape. I put a belt around it because it's a bit big in the waist, but it kind of hangs really nicely with this belt. I also love these like Western style belts at the moment, as you'll probably have seen. I'm wearing them all the time, but I kind of like this. Does it make me look a bit broad here though? That's not my, honestly, if I could snitch it in like this, it would be so much better. It's just like a bit wide. Like, I feel like this is gonna happen a lot. So yeah, I'm not 1,000,000% sure, but I do really like the general like kind of style of it. It's really pretty. How nice does it look, this colours? Excuse my nails, by the way. They are gross. They're gonna get done. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Feels very like Vivienne Westwood-esque, actually. Yeah, I don't know about these straps. What do you guys think? And then, oh, this is the same style as the previous dress, but in this kind of orangey colour. So they call this colour, I think it's called, yeah, ginger. And it's got that, you can actually see this better than the last one. And then it has, again, the wrap style with the slit. And it has a very faint polka dot to it, and that's really pretty. And I like all of these because you can adjust the straps, so you can have the cowl, whatever kind of works for you. I often need to like pull the cowl a little bit tighter or looser or whatever, so that's great. And then yeah, that's a size 2, UK 6. This dress I am obsessed with. I love this like cowl detail in the neck. This is how I feel like the other one was supposed to fit, and it just didn't. It didn't look right. I don't know what was going on with that. And then the actual dress itself, it is a bit big in the waist, so I popped this belt on it, but I actually think the belt works really well on it. You'll see this belt in a minute. It's just got like, it's got stars on it, which I think is really fun. And I think it works with the boots, although I'm not sure whether I want to keep the boots. I might switch them out for something else. Yeah. I'm really, really liking this. It's just whether, is this too glam? I guess you can't go too glam on your own birthday. You can wear what the hell you want. It's my 30th after all. But yeah, I really like this dress. I'm really into this. I feel like this is a dress that I could wear as well to like a wedding or something, although I'm probably not gonna get to that much wear out of whatever I get. Oh, I do really, really like this. What do you guys think of this one? Then, oh, I love this dress. Okay, this one, I have a feeling like 3 of them I'm gonna like the best, but we'll see. Then this one, I loved this. So I'm wondering if you'll be able to even see it on camera, but this is a very pretty daisy print. I'll have to show you this in the cutaway, but it's basically like strapless with these little string straps, and then it's bodycon to the like knee, and then it kind of pips out. Now this is the type of dress that if this fits, I need it to fit like perfectly. So I may end up getting this altered, and I got this in a size 2, UK 6. So let's see this one on. Okay, so the final dress I love so much, and it's kind of perfect because it's kind of more daytime than that last one was. So I'm not gonna feel as like dressed up, but I'm still like super fancy pants for my own birthday. So the only thing is, I'm going to show you guys, I've put a safety pin in here because undo it. It's a bit big for me in this top section, but it's got a ruching, so if I just ruche it like that, the fit is like so much nicer. And then the other thing is, it's a little bit big on the hips here, so maybe I'll have it slightly taken in here if I have time. If this is the one. I would really love your guys' opinion between this one and the last like gingery dress. Maybe I'll try not to return these until this video will definitely go up for my party. So let me know what you guys think of these two. I really like this one. I feel like it's super sweet and super cute. I don't know what shoes I would wear. Probably a boot like this, but I might go on the hunt for some different boots because these aren't my faves. They are cool, they're just a bit too clumpy, I feel like, for my little legs. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Really like this one a lot. Let me know what you guys think. Finally, we seem to have got 2 of these, but I only ordered one because I don't need 2. I ordered this, which I thought was really fun, and a lot of these dresses, especially like the cowly ones, might need a belt, and if they do need a belt, you'll probably have seen this already because I'll probably try it on with it. But I really liked the star. It's just gold stars basically, and they're like 2 stars together, and I just thought that would be really fun and yeah, different to kind of add a little touch to my outfit, I guess. And that is it. I'm really hoping that in this I found a dress that I like, because honestly I haven't got anything else right now, so that's kind of a stress. I feel like there were some good options in there. You'll know obviously what I liked and I didn't like. Let me know in the comments down below which dress was your favourite, or which look you liked best and how you think I should style it. I'd love to get your feedback in the comments down below. This video is probably going up like on my birthday or around my birthday, so yep, that's happening. Turning 30, it's very exciting. As always, you guys, I would love it if you subscribed to my channel and give this video a like if you liked it, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see here on my channel, and I will see you in the next one.